who could have your attention, please?
Quiet down.
Please.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, in the coming weeks.
As you'll see, all of these fabulous fashions are, they all follow the Aspen High School dress code policy.
Oh yes, and as you'll see, in the coming weeks, shorts will be the appropriate length, and shirts will be worn at all times, no matter how hot you think you are.
Oh, thank you all.
Exactly.
Now, we will start off the fashion show with Monday's trend.
The rest.
All right.
Oh my God.
With the fall television season starting, AHS will be sporting fashions from all their favorite TV shows for TV Day.
TV.
Where is she? And who am I? That's her secret I'll never tell.
And I forgot the girl on Monday. And I want more.
Such a fast, the hot garden gas and the red.
Tuesday will bring the Greek out of all of you on Greek Day. Note the school-friendly sleeve length. Thank you.
As teams run around the AHS campus, the competitive sides of AHS will come out during the other stylish field day.
And the party does not stop after field day. Join us in town across from Paradise Bakery from 6... Oh, we have 2 more for field day. 6:30 to 8:30 for an after-party bonfire, cookies, music, and hot chocolate. Play that song again.
But here's some more field day, people. Update your iPod and sync your motherboard because Thursday is Futuristic Robot Day.
Enough for... The fall colors for Friday are red and black, as everyone will be sporting the Aspen High School school colors. Seniors will be wearing all black. And the rest of the school will be wearing red and white. For Spirit Day, give it up.
And that is it for your Spirit Week for 2009. And that's 5 days. That's it.
Wait, we're forgetting the best one of them all. We're forgetting Saturday. Join us right here in the Skier Dome for the Homecoming Circus. That's how fabulous. Oh, please give it up for Student Senate and all of your models. For their participation, the models will be receiving their homecoming t-shirts for free.
That's actually a great idea. Homecoming, everyone will receive a free t-shirt with their purchase of a homecoming dance ticket for $20.
Great deal. So instead of just having the models get their t-shirt free, everyone that buys a homecoming ticket will get their t-shirt for free.
Isn't that just fab?
A free t-shirt clap. I know, and if you bring in 3, count it, 3 canned food items for Lift Up Food Bank that are non-perishable, you will receive another $5 off the ticket price. That's a savings of $15 with the t-shirt.
Oh, a free t-shirt and $5 off admission with 3 canned food items if you didn't get that.
You sounded like you didn't. All right, tickets go on sale this Thursday and Friday at lunch, as well as next Thursday and Friday.
Thank you so much for attending AHS Fashion Week. So just to give you a little review, that's Monday is TV Day, Tuesday is Greek Day, Wednesday is Field Day, Thursday is Futuristic Robot Day, Friday is Spirit Day, and Saturday is Homecoming Circus right here in the Spirit Dome.
Thank you and have a great Spirit Week.
Ciao!
Hold on, wait.
One more thing real quickly, please.